Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, we're gonna try the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation up to 24 hours wear. Guys, I can't. I have too much foundations, but I can't. Don't try this one. Like for me, it was really I have to. So let's talk a little bit about this foundation. There is 50 shades, really awesome, with 9 shade intensities, 3 master tones and 7 undertones. So for those who are like me, not a professional of makeup, I always check only my undertone. Like for me, it's a neutral undertone and that's it. So it's like it's a waterproof long wear foundation, feels like wearing nothing, and breathable, flexible formula that moves with you all day and all night up to 24 hours. Of course, I will not keep it on my face for 24 hours. It's like your skin but better. And actually there is like 50 shades. Oh my god, really, this is awesome. It costs $39. Here it is. And here is all the shades. I'm in the shade 11NN actually. Okay, so let's talk about the packaging, guys. It honestly, when I see the reviews of this, I thought that the packaging would be bigger, but it's not. Okay, it's like that. It's sleeky but weird. Like you have this little thing here. I don't know if you really see it, but it's really weird. Okay, it's a plastic packaging, guys, and honestly I thought it's bigger, but it's not bigger at all. It's really, it sounds like small, but the amount inside is 30 ml, and it's like the other foundations. I mean, like the amount inside is honest, it's fair enough. So let's talk about the packaging. I'm not that fan about the packaging. I already tried their first foundation. The packaging was really more interesting. I don't know if you remember it. Maybe I will put here a picture of it, and it was really heavy. Like you feel that it's really luxurious, and yeah, it worth the money. Here, I don't know. Let's talk about the packaging. I'm talking about the packaging. Let's try the product, because the product is important. There is a pump. This is awesome. I like pump, and maybe I have to shake it. I've already primed my face with Benefit for Professional. I think it's enough, and here it is. 2 pumps. It's not Darwini, okay? It's liquidy but not Darwini. I'm gonna do like usually. I will just do it. Let's just do it. There is a smell, but not disturbing at all, like really not disturbing. Here it is, half face with 2 pumps, if you remember, but there were like I put 2 small pumps, and I want to show you. Here it is. It's really lightweight, like really lightweight. This is without, with all my freckles, scars, ripples, so sorry. And this is with my 2 small pumps with a sponge. Actually, it's not full coverage first, but they claim it. Like they said that it's not full coverage, but it's buildable. They said that it's buildable. This is the first thing. The second thing, you don't feel it. honestly, you don't feel it. It's not sticky. Awesome. I'm not a full coverage girl. I like it. I really, really like it. Like this, I can use it every day. It's the perfect shade for me. That I'm so happy about that, and I really like it. You know what? If you wait a moment, you feel that it's powdery, like it's a little bit powdery. You know, like this is incredible, and you don't feel it. You really don't feel it. I mean, I don't know how to describe it. I like it. Let's do the other half of my face. And I'm gonna try to build it for those who love full coverage, because I'm here for you, and you can see if you can build it or not, and yeah. So here it is, guys. Actually, in this side, I tried to make I tried to wear like more than two small pumps. I really put 2.5, and it's really buildable. Like, I feel that it's buildable, and it's really, look at this. This is with 2 small pumps, and this is with 2.5. Like, it's buildable. And it's lightweight, like really lightweight. You don't feel it. I wanna come closer. As usually, I always have some crease here, but I will fix it with powder after. It's okay. So here it is. Honestly, I like it. Like, I really like it. I didn't pick the concealer, guys, because I'm more foundation than concealer, and for me, I really wanted to try the foundation more than the concealer, but I know that they come with the concealer too. So yeah, let me finish all these things, like with powder, concealer, contouring, to see how it works with my complexion, and I'll be right back. Mwah. So guys, complexion done. I put powder, concealer. By the way, the concealer I used is by KKW, and the powder is always the same because I love it, the pressed powder by ELF, and also because I love it since I find out it is the ELF bronzer and blush. This is really highly recommended. Awesome. And highlighter, I use the Doll Beauty. Awesome, highly recommended. So honestly, I like it. I'm in love. You don't feel it. It's really lightweight. I can't imagine how much it's lightweight. You really feel that you wear nothing, like nothing. I want to show you closer, please. Here is the complexion. This is, if you remember, I didn't build this side. I built this side for more full coverage. For me, it's awesome. I love when my freckles are a little bit like here and there. So I let it like this. This is my scars, by the way. And yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this kinds of video, for me it's approved, by the way. Thumbs up, love it, keep it on my vanity. If you like this kinds of video, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and give this video a thumbs up. Love you so much. And let me your comment, then we can feel closer. Love you. Mwah.